Elon Musk just made a shocking revelation about his power being threatened. As we all know, Elon Musk is one of the genius minds of our generation. He's a multi-billionaire, innovator, and CEO of giant tech companies like Tesla, SpaceX, Starlink, and even the social media platform Twitter. He's the first of many to have considered the colonization and terraforming of the red planet Mars. His works, from electric cars and Tesla to space exploration with SpaceX, are something we've never seen before. This man is changing the world. At the risk of that becomes the foreseen impediments that take him out of the picture. Many people have suggested he's being targeted for his leading-edge creations and innovations. This goes on to tell you that even Elon Musk is not invincible. Even with his status and wealth, there's still opposition wishing demise upon him. Please take a seat and relax as we embark on this little voyage of Elon Musk's shocking revelation. Elon Musk has disclosed the development of a humanoid robot that will help with tedious, repetitive tasks people loathe carrying out. According to Musk, it may help with errands like grocery shopping. Still, it can carry out a wide range of tasks involving human labor. It shouldn't be shocking that social media is presented in a way that evokes several dystopian science fiction robot movies when everything goes wrong. The robot futures, shown in movies like I, Robot, The Terminator, and others, are scary. Still, the technology that would allow for actual humanoid robots and the reasons behind them should be of a more significant concern. According to the presentation's briefing slides, the robot, codenamed Optimus, will stand 5'8", weigh 125 pounds, have human-like hands and feet, contain a visual sensor to help it see, and ultimately work to eliminate dangerous, repetitive, and boring tasks. You can talk to it and say, "Please pick up that bolt and attach it to the car with that wrench," and it should be able to do that, Musk said. "Please go to the store and get me the following groceries." That kind of thing. I think we can do that. Wall Street experts are debating Musk's announcement timeline. In a post-revelation report on Friday, Daniel Ives, a Tesla analyst at Wedbush Securities, compared the information to robo-taxis and other future sci-fi enterprises, and termed it a head-scratcher. Tesla bots are not what investors want to see, Ives noted, but we applaud Musk's longer-term technological ambition. Musk stated Thursday that Tesla could create Optimus rather than being motivated by manufacturing requirements. Musk said, "We are already building the elements needed for a viable humanoid robot." Still, he did not elaborate on how Tesla would address his long-standing worries. Currently, Musk's robot is being developed by Tesla. If Tesla weren't a different kind of manufacturer, it would be a departure from the company's core activity, which is the manufacture of automobiles. The Tesla bot is a futuristic design for a sleek 125-pound robot that resembles a human being and uses autopilot and automotive artificial intelligence from Tesla to plan, follow, and negotiate traffic. In this case, pedestrians will avoid obstacles. With the dystopian and science fiction overtones removed, Tesla views the Tesla bot as being able to plan, follow routes, negotiate pedestrian traffic, and avoid obstacles. The proposal makes sense, but within the framework of Musk's business strategy, the manufactured environment was created by people to benefit humanity. Musk stated during the launch of the Tesla bot that advanced technologies would need to learn to navigate it in a similar way to how humans do it to function correctly. Although Tesla's vehicles and robots are a sign of a much grander scheme that wants to build a world where advanced technologies liberate people from their biological roots by combining biology and technology. Elon Musk, the founder and CEO of Tesla, came up with this idea while researching the moral development and use of new technologies. This concept poses issues that transcend beyond the fictitious dangers of superintelligent robots. According to Elon Musk, technology will save humanity in the coming years. And developments like brain-machine interfaces, interplanetary rockets, and self-driving automobiles will help us get there. Humankind will develop into an interstellar species, as they coexist peacefully and harmoniously with the sentient machines, possibly even merging with them. Energy will be cheap, abundant, and sustainable in this future scenario. Based on the different projects Musk is working on, the future will be based on a collection of related fundamental technologies. These technologies include sensors, actuators, energy and data infrastructure, system integration, and significant increases in computer power. Combined, these elements offer a powerful toolkit for creating revolutionary innovation. Elon Musk believes that by creating superhuman technologies, or beyond human capabilities, humanity will one day overcome our phylogenetic heritage. However, for technology to become superhuman, it must first and foremost be human. At the very least, it should be built to work well in a world made by people. The motivating reason behind Tesla's technical innovations, which heavily rely on optical cameras, is an innovation strategy that aims to make technology more approachable for people. These are intended to aid in the cause of autonomously traversing road networks that, in Musk's words, were constructed for biological neural nets using optical pictures, which is another way to say that they were made by people when paired with an AI brain. Based on the most recent Musk speech, the development of the Tesla bot was a straightforward transition from human-inspired robots on wheels to human-inspired robots on legs. The autopilot function of Tesla's complete self-driving technology, which served as the basis for its invention, is included in this technology. Although this technology is quite remarkable, it is yet to be shown to be totally reliable. Some fatalities and accidents have been connected to Tesla's autopilot function. The most recent of which happened as a result of the algorithm's failure to recognize parked emergency vehicles, raises concerns about whether it was wise to release the technology into the wild so quickly given their track record. Humanoid robots that rely on the same technologies don't stand a good chance of prospering. Unfortunately, this goes beyond ensuring the machinery is in good working order. Human error exacerbates the issue with Tesla's autopilot that already existed. For instance, some Tesla drivers have operated their cars as they were highly developed, fully autonomous vehicles, failing to pay adequate attention to the road while driving. The Tesla bots may meet the same demise. The Tesla comes with a limited range of orphan dangers. Concerns that have been expressed about how people are likely to view and react with the humanoid robots. These concerns include potential conflicts between ethical and ideological viewpoints, such as the case of crime control or the policing of civil protests, as well as difficulties relating to how people are likely to view and react to humanoid robots. Even though the Tesla bot may seem innocent or even a little bit of a joke, these issues must be addressed for it to be practical and commercially viable. Yet they are rarely covered in the training that engineers get. Ignoring them might have a disastrous effect. Its creators, investors, potential customers, and others must ponder the challenging problems of how technology could endanger their priorities and how to deal with such risks. Suppose it is to be helpful in addition to being commercially successful. In that case, these risks could be specific as people modifying robots without authorization to improve their performance without considering the risks, such as making it move faster or more than its designers intended. Or they could be general as technology being unexpectedly weaponized. They can be as nuanced as the way a humanoid robot can jeopardize employment security or the way a robot with advanced surveillance technology might undermine privacy. These two cases both involve robots. There are other issues with technological bias that have dogged AI for a while, mainly when it comes to result in taught behavior that eventually proves exceptionally discriminatory. For example, even though the Tesla bot may seem like a tiny little step toward Elon Musk's ultimate aim of superhuman technology, numerous AI algorithms have produced results that are sexist and racist. It is therefore tempting to write it off as mere theater. For instance, the Tesla bot can walk on all fours. Still, the extravagant ideas that underpin it are severe, and they raise equally serious issues. To give one example, how responsible is Musk's vision? Who's to say he should work towards creating the future that he dreams of just because he's capable of doing so? As an individual who analyzes and writes about the future and how our actions affect it, these are more of a deeply felt concern that the Tesla bot raises for me as a result of its existence. That is the future that Musk is working so hard to bring about. Is it the best one for humanity, or simply a decent one? Who exactly will be the one to pay the price if things don't go as planned? This does not imply that Elon Musk shouldn't exercise his primary development skills, or that the Tesla bot is a bad idea. However, suppose consumers, investors, and other stakeholders allow themselves to be seduced by the allure of new technology, or brush off the commotion and need help understanding the big picture. In that case, these game-changing ideas and technologies could usher billions of people into a brighter and more helpful future. Humanity faced the risk of entrusting the future to wealthy entrepreneurs whose vision is more expansive than their capacity to comprehend. If the goals of the majority of people align with their vision of the future, or if their ideas are fatally flawed, they may be beneficial to the process of building a fair and equitable future. This most significant lesson humanity should learn from dystopian robot future sci-fi movies is not the more obvious one of making helter-skelter humanoid robots, but rather the far more difficult one of choosing who gets to envisage the future and be part of building it. The question is whether humans will coexist with robots, or whether the existence of AI robots will pose a threat to humankind, as the Tesla bot progresses from being a notion to being a reality in the coming years. What are your thoughts about that? Drop a yes or no response in the comments section below. If you want to keep updated on the latest news, remember to subscribe with notifications turned on. Check the video on the screen now to watch another fascinating video.